2 hours a day. That's what the average American spends on household chores: cooking, cleaning, laundry, the lawn. Today, 6 AI gadgets that hand a serious chunk of that back, starting at just $50. And the last one on this list turns a full hour in the kitchen into 10 minutes. But every single one of these has a catch. No hype. Let's count the hours. Gadget number 1, the $50 memory upgrade. This is B, a $49 band you wear on your wrist or clip on like a pin. It listens to your day and with your say-so and turns your conversations into something your phone never gives you. A searchable memory. It breaks what you said into topics, builds your to-do list automatically, writes daily recaps, and hooks into Gmail and Google Calendar. So I'll send that over on Tuesday. Actually becomes a reminder. The audio itself is deleted after transcription. What's kept is the text. And here's why this little thing matters. Amazon bought the company in July 2025, then put it on stage at CES 2026. A $50 wearable just became part of Amazon's AI strategy. Time saved. Think about the tax you pay every week just remembering, retracing what you agreed to, rebuilding lists, chasing the follow-up you forgot. Call it an hour a week. B's entire job is deleting it. The honest take, $50 is not the real price. There's a $19 monthly subscription, so 4 months in, the plan has already cost more than the hardware. That 7-day battery claim also melts to roughly a day and a half to 2 days when it's actually listening all day. And it's Amazon now, an always listening device from the company that already knows your shopping history. The next one covers what everyone else says, and it might delete note-taking from your job entirely. Gadget number 2, never write meeting notes again. The Plaud Note Pro is a $189 recorder the size of a credit card and the weight of 6 sheets of paper, 30 grams. Inside, 4 studio-grade microphones plus a vibration mic for phone calls, 64 gigs of storage, 30 hours of recording per charge, 50 in endurance mode, and a standby time of 60 days. It hears a conference room from 16 feet away, transcribes in 112 languages, labels who said what, and hands you structured summaries and action items instead of an audio file. One reviewer, an elected counselor who writes meeting minutes for a living, summed it up in a single line. The post-meeting cleanup is gone. If you sit in 3 or more meetings a week, that cleanup is easily 2 hours. Gone. The honest take, the hardware record's free forever, but the AI runs on a meter. You get 300 transcription minutes a month at no cost, about 10 minutes a day. And past that, you're on a roughly $100 a year plan. And as PC World pointed out, that's close to the price of a full general AI subscription, which does more than transcribe. If your calendar is packed, the Note Pro pays for itself. If it isn't, your phone's voice memos are still free, running total about 3 hours a week, and we haven't even left your desk. Now we step outside to a chore Americans literally rank among the most hated in the country. Gadget number 3, the lawn that mows itself. Segway rebuilt its entire Navimo robot mower lineup at CES 2026, and the headline is what's missing. No buried perimeter wire, no base station surveying, no professional installation. You walk the yard once with your phone. The mower maps it using satellite positioning fused with cameras, accurate to the centimeter, and from then on, the grass just stays cut. The range is wide. The i2 AWD starts around $999 and uses 3-wheel drive to climb slopes. The H2 spots obstacles as small as 1 centimeter, a dropped toy, a garden hose. And the X4 series at $2,500 to $3,000 covers up to 1.5 acres. For scale, mowing runs about an hour a week in season. And in a national chore survey, it ranked among the top 3 chores Americans never want to do again. Only toilets scored worse. The honest take, this one is seasonal. A robot mower saves you exactly 0 hours in January. Big yards push the price fast. The largest models run toward $5,000, and you'll still touch up the edges now and then. But from spring to fall, that's your Saturday morning back. From the grass to your floors. And the first robot vacuum in history with an arm that picks up your socks. Well, half the time. Gadget number 4, the vacuum with an arm. The Roborock Saros Z70 is the most advanced robot vacuum ever sold. 22,000 pascals of suction. Testers at Vacuum Wars measured 100% hard floor pickup, the best score in its class. It's just over 3 inches tall, lifts its own chassis over thresholds, mops, then washes and dries its own mop pads, and empties itself for up to 7 weeks straight. And then there's the party trick, a folding robotic arm, the Omni Grip that reaches out, grabs socks, slippers, and crumpled paper, and drops them in a bin before it cleans. Floors are a 2-hour-a-week chore in a lot of homes. This deletes nearly all of it. The honest take, and this one's expensive. The arm succeeds about 50% of the time on a short list of object types. A coin flip, and Roborock's own Saros 10R delivers the same 22,000 pascals for roughly $700 less, which means at the $25.99 list price, you are paying $700 for that coin flip. Street prices have dipped as low as $1,300, and at that number, the math changes completely. Buy it as an elite vacuum. Treat the arm as a preview of the future. Running total about 6 hours. Next up, the most hated chore in the country. One machine just deleted the worst half of it. Gadget number 5, laundry without the babysitting. In a survey by a national laundry service, nearly half of Americans said they spend more than 3 hours a week on laundry, and 54% called it one of their top stressors. The Samsung Bespoke AI laundry combo attacks the worst part, the babysitting. One drum washes and dries. No transferring, no waiting at home for the buzzer, no re-washing the load you forgot overnight. On the super speed cycle, a 10-pound load goes in dirty and comes out clean and dry in 98 minutes. And the AI part is real. It senses the fabric type and how dirty the water is, then adjusts the wash and the dry on the fly. It auto-doses detergent for up to 47 loads from an internal tank. And because the heat pump dryer is ventless and runs on a standard 120 outlet, it installs in places a dryer could never go. No vent, no electrician. Samsung calls it the best-selling all-in-one combo of 2026. List price, $32.99, though it's been spotted near $2,200 on deals. The honest take, 98 minutes is the sprint cycle on a modest load. Normal loads run 2 to 3 hours. The drying capacity is smaller than a dedicated dryer, so a king comforter is a squeeze. And no machine on earth folds. What you're really buying is the removal of every trip back to the laundry room. Call it an hour and a half of babysitting a week, gone. Gadget number 6, your private robot chef. Pasha is a countertop machine about the size of a large microwave, and it is exactly what it sounds like. 4 ingredient hoppers, a spice carousel, an induction cooktop, and a camera on top running computer vision. Now watching the pan the way a cook would, deciding when to stir, when to dispense, when to drop the heat. You load chopped ingredients, tap a recipe, and walk away. It's already cooking in more than 1,000 American homes at $1,500 to $1,750 depending on the batch. And demand is real. The next units don't ship until September 2026. Here's the math that earns it the final spot. Early reviews found hands-on cooking time drops from about an hour to roughly 10 minutes. Do that 5 weeknights, and you've recovered over 4 hours a week, more than any other gadget today. Now run the cost long-term. 5 dinners a week for 3 years works out to about $2.20 per meal on top of ingredients. No takeout on the planet touches that. The honest take, you still do the chopping. The hoppers take prepped ingredients. It cooks contained, stir-friendly food, curries, stir-fries, one-pot meals. It will not sear your steak, and it will not bake your bread. And if you'd only use it once a week, the per-meal math collapses past $10, and this becomes a very expensive countertop ornament. For years, AI lived on your screen. In 2026, it stepped off the screen and picked up your chores. The phone is something you pick up. These are machines that work while you're gone. So here's my question. Which chore would you fire first? The cooking, the laundry, or the lawn? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. And if you want the honest version of where tech is actually going, subscribe and tap the bell, because there are gadgets landing later this year, including robot vacuums that climb stairs, that could blow this entire list wide open. I'll see you in the next one.